My bad. All right, all right. Hold on. You guys didn't miss much of anything then. If you didn't hear it, you missed nothing. All right, guys. Setting up the studio. Sign language. There you go. What's that mean? No, no, I'm kidding, man. I'm kidding. Um, let's go ahead and get it done over to the Discord. Let everybody know what's up. Sometimes I have TMI issues, when TMI has his mic issues. Uh, Speaking of TMI, it is his birthday. So, happy birthday, brother. You're getting up there, man. You're getting up there, bro. You're going to start getting those Viagra coupons. What? All right. Let me just drop the link to everybody in the Discord. All right. Let everybody know that we are here outside of you guys. So typically, this is a Discord only uh, stream. Okay, we do this internally to support the Discord. We're doing it public so you guys could see what you're missing. All right. So what is going on? We got. Yes, he did it. What's going on? Yeah, I'm good, man. We got 79 people in the stream. What's going on? Uh, let's see. Bjorn, what's going on? Pep Cross down on the 5 minute on the daily. Uh, all right, 5 and the daily. STV Cougars, what is going on? All right, so what I want to try to do here is let's catch up to some of the alerts. Um, for those who don't understand what we're doing here in the Discord, well, we have alerts. You see these alerts, and there are rules. You get the alert at the current price. You get a link to the 3, 5, and 4 minute, 4 hour, and then you get the rules of how we play. Right, sticking to the rules is very, very important, especially if you want to make gains. Right, we have all kinds of gains. People just printing, making money. Right, guys, we are in a bear market, right? And actually the bull case is 360. Okay, people just chipping away their gains, right? Make sure you guys go ahead and check out the community gains section. It's free for you guys to lurk and say, hey, I wish that was me. Well, it could be you just follow the rules, right? So anyways, the bull case is 360. Some analysts, in which 360 would be the reversal. I'm calling 380. I want 380. So let's go ahead and look at what the SPY is doing here, right? Now, the SPY, everyone expected a strong open, right? The reason why we expected a strong open was because housing start in China. Well, I mean, you think about it, right? It just really, I mean, is the glass half full or is it half empty, right? Don't talk to me about fucking housing starts in China. They got the cheat code. I mean, it's infinity houses. They got like billions of people there, right? So, I mean, the real estate's going to be real estate, and it's always going to be real estate in China, right? Because there's just too many fucking people, right? So yeah, I don't understand how that news, relates to how we feel, about the chart because, well, the chart is a painting of emotion. Now, we're looking at the SPY here, guys. You're seeing 1348 in all its glory. You see, market opens, you get that put signal. Now, we don't play it till about 10 a.m., but you can see you got that put signal. Then 10 a.m. hit, and she drops. Now, the question is, how low can she go? Now, when you go ahead and get our charts, you have support and resistance here, right? So if you did take this put and you are here at this level, right, this is your cue to get out, right? Secure the bag so you're not absorbing any emotional distress when the candle bounces back up to the 200 EMA and then continues down, right? Apple. Now, Apple. Let's talk about Apple for a second because Apple now controls 51% of the US market. Smartphone. 51% of the smartphone market here in the US. I mean, I have an iPhone. I also have an Android. I will acknowledge the fact that iOS is just a little more simpler. Yes, it is. Um, but 51%, in a very, very competitive industry. I mean, the second in line is Samsung at 27%, followed by Google, even though Google has some year to year, just 380% increase in sales year to year. But still, Apple just killing it. So let's go ahead and look at the chart here with Apple. Uh, Apple just pretty much moving sideways, right? That's why, guys, we say we avoid that morning chop, right? But this is, guys, for those who are constantly getting caught in fake outs, right? Because the market's going to try to fake you out. You get a put signal, but the RSI is trending up. Whenever you see a put signal and the candle closes and the RSI is trending up, you know that's a fake out. The next candle was a call. Okay. So, again, guys, don't get caught in this, right? If anything, I'm teaching you probably the most valuable lesson, right? In playing these, momentum type of moves here. To get a put, sometimes the market will fake you out. That RSI is going to help you. You get a call, moves on up, right? So always pay attention to that RSI once you get the indication, and always pay attention to your MACD and your shaft trend cycle, right? But let's go ahead and check out MU. Wait, my chart looks way different. Sean, go ahead and make sure you get New York Stock Exchange, Orca, and NASDAQ real-time data. Then also go ahead and make sure you have extended trading hours enabled, okay? From there, all you got to do is click on any of my charts and then make a copy of it. And then this chart is yours. It's saved, it's loaded. All right. So let's go ahead and look at Mary White. I'll explain that in a second. Let's go ahead and look at MU. Okay. Now, if you guys really want a breakdown of how, I look at things here, okay, I guess the only way to really find out is to join the premium Discord. Now, I'm going to make this very, very, very clear, right? Um, like pretty much now is a great time to join a premium Discord. Link down in the description, right? Basically, it's free until, well, I shouldn't say free, but yeah, you get to try it risk free up until June 1st. And what that means is that I have between now and then to show you can in fact make money, right? So it's really no risk to you. I mean, you could go ahead and come, the 31st or 29th, whatever is the last day of this month. You could go ahead and say, ReviewDork didn't help me at all, right? You go ahead and cancel. But we have over 14,000 members in this Discord. 14,000, right? Among the fastest growing Discords in 2022, all right? 14,000 members. The strategy can't be wrong. Okay. People are taking a leap of faith in themselves. They're taking a leap of faith in me. And I'm going ahead and I'm delivering the goods and showing you guys how to play and make money. That's it. Right. We don't sit there and talk about DD. Um, we don't do all that shit. We just look at the chart. Let's go make it happen. Link down in the description. Go ahead. It's Patreon. Just rock and roll. Give yourself the next couple of trading days. By next week, you will have a stronger grasp of this concept, because these videos, these public videos, which you're seeing on YouTube, are exclusively for private. Okay. Exclusively for private. And private, they've been with me for 6 months. They know how we roll. Even my energy has to be toned down a little bit for you guys so you can follow along and understand what I'm doing. But once we go live, those OGs, they're there to help you too, and they'll help you understand what I'm doing, right? And even if it's on the weekend, you could still go to class. Class is still in session on the weekend. The community is fucking dope. Everybody's helping one another, all right? Uh, Ben, it is not uh, too advanced. It's very, very, very simple. Very, very simple. You guys go ahead, check out the link down in the description and make the fucking money. Okay. You guys can make the money. Again, 14,000 people who are subscribing to this ideology and making money. You do know that we're damn near in a recession. And unless you understand how to play this strategy here, you're going to lose money. I dare any of you go ahead and look at your 401k and see how much money you're losing. Meanwhile, your money manager is still making money on fees. Money managers, whether the market goes up or it goes down, the motherfuckers are still making money on fucking money management fees, right? While middle class America is literally getting fucked in the ass. Teacher pensions getting fucked in the ass. Everybody's getting fucked over. But the people up here are making all the money. I'm going to show you guys how to beat the people up here. All right. And no, we're not including or checks on AMC, guys. You know what to do. Link down in the description. Become a premium member. You get all the goodness. I promise you. Guys, just give me 30 days with you, and I will change the way you trade. Go ahead, look at the community gains section. Go to the shit show chat room. You know, just sort of kind of like lurking there. See what people are saying. It's a game changer. All right. And for those who are in the Discord and you're here, right? You guys already know we changed your life. Not to mention we got some dope ass bots, right? So here we go. We have MU. We got this put here. Now we see some consolidation here, right? So whenever we see consolidation, we like to zoom out and see if there is a level of support where it's finding itself, right? And we can go back maybe about here, right? There's really nothing in this middle range here, okay? But we can't go at or about here. That's acting as resistance now. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days ago. So it's not really within my time frame to be a relevant support or resistance line, but it's there, okay? So now all we have left to go by on the 5-minute, if we zoom in, is the RSI. Now, the RSI just crossed its moving average. Therefore, if you were in on this put, you got to get out. Please get out. Because if the RSI continues over this cross, you're going to see price action come back to the 13, therefore devaluing your put right here. And it's a Friday, so you know theta is a bitch. Okay. And that's it, right? So even though MACD is trending down, you see it's getting a light pink here, right? But the RSI is telling us a story as well. It is oversold and it is due to cross over its moving average. Okay, let's go ahead and check out Microsoft. And we got this put signal here. Now, we just broke below the 200 EMA. This is a good thing, right? Again, the rules are price action below the 200 EMA, RSI below 50. We're biased to puts, right? Now, MACD is saying, hey, let's do some selling here, right? It's trending down, and we got red on the histogram. The shaft trend cycle indicator has indicated a sell. RSI below its moving average. So now you enter in on this put, you have to respect your first level. That was your first level. Guys, when you see me review a play, okay, you're going to see time and time again how a candle and its wick loves to come to a level that is already drawn out on the chart for you. Okay? So there's no rocket science to this. If you were in this put and you were down at this level, that's when you should have taken profit. For those who are in the Discord, you know better, right? You know better. So you go ahead and you take that profit. Why? Because look what she's doing right now. The RSI is making its move right back up to its moving average, right? Guys, this is no bullshit. This is no wizardry, right? This is no wizardry. The chart printed for you. The chart's doing what the the stock is doing what the chart's telling you it's going to do. There's no wizardry here. It's no bullshit, right? So now it's going to go ahead and hang out at the 200 EMA right now, right? Attempting to find some strength again. Why? Because stocks like to hang around moving averages, right? That's normalcy. That's normalcy for the stock, right? You got to just think, what are moving averages? It's the average of a price. So that's why stocks like to hang out there. When we use the 200 exponential moving average, what that's telling us is that over the past 200 periods, the stock likes to hang out at that price. Therefore, the 200 EMA becomes your support and resistance because it becomes the mean. Okay? It becomes the mean. So you always have to respect the 200 EMA. Now, with the 13 and the 48 EMA, the exponential moving average, and what we affectionately say, or we create that reference in this Discord, EMA equals eat my ass. Uh, don't tell me, don't tell me how you came up with that, right? But anyways, the exponential moving average with the 13 and the 48, the 13 is calculating the previous 13 periods. The 48 is calculating the previous 48 periods. So you have a faster speed line crossing above and below the slower speed line. But the 200 EMA is, the granddaddy EMA. That is the most important EMA, period. All right. And it applies to, it's basically the 200 EMA is going to calculate the last 205-minute candles. If you're on a daily, it's going to calculate the average price over the past 200 days, right? So there you go. It likes to hang out here. That's what it's doing. So we need to see more bearish momentum in order for this put to, really, really pan out. Thing is, again, as long as RSI is below 50, I'm not scared at this level. All right. We want to see what's going to happen, right? As long as RSI is below 50. Should it break 50 or should it break its moving average? Then you have to kill that play. That's it. Now, just wanted to hop on and show a bit of love. Thanks for another stream and everything you do for all of us, Gabe. Thank you, the collective risk. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and let's look. Guys, also, if you're wondering about pattern day trading, if you use a cash account with Webull, not a margin account, you could go ahead and trade with whatever is in your account. So if you got $5,000, you could go ahead and trade 500 at a time, right? Which gives you 10 trades a day, which you shouldn't even really need because we're only trading maybe about 4 or 5 times a day. But the thing is, you'll never get a pattern day trader strike. And the money that you made in those options are settled the next day. They're there for you the next day. Pepe Sylvia, what's up? Do I see that Wu-Tang right there? I like that. I love Wu-Tang. All right, let's go ahead and get back to some tickers here, right? We got Microsoft moving up. We saw what happened with Apple. Let's go back to Apple really quick, right? And now we got this Apple put, but look where she's at. Again, guys, these charts are the fucking truth. They really, really help you out. They keep you from doing stupid shit like, oh, it's gonna keep running. It's gonna keep running. Oh no, it's not. I hate them sons of bitches of stock twitch. Oh, it's gonna keep running. No, it's not. It hits its resistance. It's gonna reject. Okay, it's gonna reject. That simple. Okay. Again, these charts are available to you, premium, in the alerts. You go ahead, click one of the alerts, save the chart. It's yours. Play around with it. You will make a lot of sense of this and make a lot of money. Gabe, are you completely over AMC or just parking until it runs? Listen, man. All right. I got 65,000 shares at AMC. I don't give a fuck about it. AMC is doing nothing for me. Is AMC doing something for you? Is it really? As of right now, no, it's not. It's a long-term relationship, right? You got to have long-term goals with AMC. If it runs, it runs. But while AMC is like, I don't know. I don't know about our relationship. I like you, but, I'm not ready to commit like that because that's what AMC is doing. You're out here in the market like, all right, let's get these hoes, yo. Let's make some money. That's what we're doing, right? Like, okay, AMC, you want to take your time? All right, cool. I'm going to go get my ass elsewhere. And you're making money on other plays, other stocks, and building a portfolio. That's it. All right. So that is the truth. I've always talked about like diversifying your portfolio. You guys ain't want to listen to me. All right. So, Great Bape is printing like a villain. That's what I want to see. You printing like a villain, right? 1348 keeps my mind off of AMC, just waiting for the 4-hour cross up on AMC for calls. Okay. Natalie. What's going on, Natalie? All right, so let's go ahead and see what the SPY is doing. We know that for the most part, we're seeing a flat market. So Apple and the SPY looking very much the same, and the SPY just chilling here at this level. And you guys know where the SPY is going to go. because this was printed out for you. So when you're trading, right, you guys got to remember, you trade the path of least resistance, right? Well, that's your path of least resistance. It comes down, and then it hits support. Now, if you want to go ahead and be stubborn and risk your money beyond that and, betting that it's going to break that, hey, that's on you. But you now have pretty much just drawn out those lines where like, hey, all right, this is where I'm going to take profit. You get this put signal, you could take profit here, you could take profit here, or you could take profit here, right? Just depending. You got three levels. Me, I'm conservative. I like to wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Take that money. Take that money. Um, Ben joined 1348. Can we give Ben a warm welcome? Can we give Ben a warm welcome for joining 1348 and securing that bag? Listen, guys, look at while we're waiting for AMC to MOAS, right? You have an opportunity to create your own MOAS. And again, 14,000 people can't be wrong, all right? So let's get back here. You guys are seeing the strategy in all its glory. Okay, you get the signal, you know where you want to go, and you see the lines are printed for you. These are essentially your profit zones, right? It hit this zone right here. That's a profit zone. Secure the bag now. Just wait for the next setup. That's simple. That's simple, right? Lori joined last night. Welcome, Lori. Let's give Lori a warm welcome as well. We are a degenerate family, and we say things people wish they could say. All right, I'm just warning you. We say things people wish they can say, but you know what? It's speak your truth, bro. That's the thing. We live in a fucking soft ass society where people don't want to speak their truth. People don't want to be the outlier for the sake of, being just exiled, right? Nah, you know what? We're a bunch of exiled fools who came together to give each other hugs. Back to the stock here, guys. It's been a flat morning. Jeez Louise. Anybody got anything exciting that's not a shit penny stock? Let's go ahead and look at NVIDIA because there seems to be a bull case for NVIDIA. NVIDIA has earnings, right? NVIDIA has earnings next week. And so, NVIDIA has been a juggernaut as far as like revenue. Um, let's see. I've been watching MRO. What the fuck is Neodine? Okay, we'll get into that. But let's go ahead and look at NVIDIA here. Now, NVIDIA, I want to go to the 1 minute because NVIDIA did not necessarily give us a signal that we could execute in the market. We got the signal pre-market. You guys see where that put is pre-market? And then that signal just said timber. Okay. Our signals are the fucking truth. But let's go ahead and look at what she's doing on a 1 minute because we have someone in the Discord by the name of Diana who is an immense asset to the community. And she loves NVIDIA and playing the rim job on NVIDIA. Now we're going to explain rim job in a second. I'm going to show you how this is done. But let's go ahead and look at the comments. Chalk 1K, I should have gotten into trading sooner. Long time no see, Gabe. Lewis, what's going on, brother? What is going on? For our new folks, please visit us on. Okay, Andy. Yeah, I mean, you got Turich, bro. That was an incomplete sentence. All right, let's go ahead and look at NVIDIA here. This is what we call the rim job strategy, right? So if we do not get a signal in the market, we go ahead and play the 1 minute, and then we identify that it is rimming the 13 EMA, which is this blue line here. Now, the way we play this, if we are going put side, we are waiting for a candle to come off the 13, which is usually going to be back here, right? And then literally get rejected off the 13. And then you see the RSI just trending down with it, right? The RSI is going to help you stay into play up until the point where RSI crosses its moving average, which happens on this candle here. When the RSI crosses that moving average, then you know to get out of this play on the 1 minute. You secure the bag, and let's go ahead and look at the percentage moves on this. You're looking from, let's say, 173 all the way down to 169. Those are big gains in the world of options, major gains. So then you go ahead and you wait for another retest, right? And then you go ahead and you enter, right? This one was a flat series rim job right here, right? So you knew better to secure the bag, right? Probably broke even on that trade. Then you go ahead and you wait for the next setup, and you see, like, whenever it breaks below, you can take that trade for quick 5% scalps. And then we have this move to the upside, and this one's a major move. This could be uh, basically a call option, right? Because it breaks above the 13 EMA, but the RSI breaks way above its moving average. And this could be, sizable gains as well. Now, I'll get more in depth onto what the 13 or the rim job strategy is. I have videos, guys, that I need to edit. You guys remember me. I used to have an editor, and you know what? I'm sort of kind of missing him at this time because it's just a lot of work. uh, Drew's White, thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Um, let's see, cheap premium stock. You guys like cheap. You know what? Again, you get what you pay for, but you could go ahead and play Lucid. Lucid's a cheap stock. Lucid gave you a put on the 1 minute, and you would have made coin, you would have made bank from this 1 minute play on Lucid, right? But let's go ahead and see what she's doing on the 5 minute. So again, this sort of kind of played out like what we saw with NVIDIA. The put signal happened in the morning, so therefore we have to resort to the 1 minute and see what our signals are. We get the signal here, and we're playing the rim job. There you go, right? Rim job, another opportunity. And then rim job to the upside, another opportunity, right? So that's the 13 rim job. Uh, Think Organic. He's an editor. Bruh. Oh, wait, Premiere Pro? You edit in Premiere Pro? Better say yes. Don't come at me with that Final Cut bullshit. It better be Premiere Pro. All right. Anyways, let's get back to the chart. Going to join today. Looking forward to learning with everyone. Guys, listen. There's no better time to join. You see people. If you guys need the social proof, I'll tell you what. Give it the weekend. Get yourself familiar with the community. Check out the bots. We have bots that trade on the daily. Right. Um, and for those who have full-time jobs, Trader Joe plays on the daily. If you have a full-time job and you're just into buying stocks, let me show you guys something. We go into the community here. Let me zoom out. This is our Trader Joe bot. Let me explain to you what he's doing. Right. Trader Joe, this is one of his trades. Right. OGN had a 1348 cross on the daily, right? It tells you the action, okay? From here, you can look at the 4-hour and the daily chart, so you can look at support and resistance yourself, right? Then, what he does, he gives you the alert, take your money and keep it safe. Again, these are daily crossovers on stocks, right? If you are uncomfortable with playing the buys and the shorts, you could just play the buy side of what Trader Joe is showing you, right? And you just follow along his plays. If you have a full-time job, okay, you just go ahead, mute all the alerts in our Discord and leave Trader Joe live. And he's going to give you the ticker like, hey, I'm buying this. You follow along. You buy it too. Hey, I'm selling here. You follow along. You sell it too. Okay. How can you get the indicators with the alerts? By joining the premium Discord. I was just explaining that. SNL, it does work trading stocks. And let me explain. The reason why it works trading stocks is because these signals are derived off of stock price action. So if anything, By virtue of playing the strategy with stocks, it's actually safer. That's simple. It's safer. I'll be honest with you. But hey, we like to print and we like to use leverage, and that's what options do. It allows you to create leverage within your portfolio, and we like that, and we like to make money. So, um, I believe Trader Joe is designed to hold for to meet rules and conditions, but it's playing it on the daily. So you could buy it today and then sell it tomorrow, so you're not hit with the PDT. Okay. Miguel Torres says, Gabe, I added a walkthrough video on the TradingView channel for the app. Boom. There you go. All right, guys, you saw that? Again, everybody in this community contributing to the community. Everybody. Just really, I love it. I couldn't ask for a better community. All right. There's nothing but love here. Twitter, fucking toxic as hell. All right. He plays the daily and avoids PDT. There you go. You heard it from Algo. Guys, yeah, Trader Joe is like an extension of me, sort of, kind of. And then, like, Algo did an incredible job of saying, like, oh, we're going to Frankenstein you because I have some other code that maybe we can throw into this, right? So I'll go just like Frankenstein, damn near the best day trader out there, right? Can we get a glossary in the Discord? Actually, that is actually a good thing. I will make note of that. Andy, if you're in a live stream, can we get a glossary? Okay. Cavo, it's okay that you're late. There's really nothing going on in the market right now as far as let's go ahead and check out AMD. How about that? AMD. AMD's always giving us something. Let's see what AMD is doing. Holy hell, AMD. Look at AMD, guys. Okay, so if you were in this AMD put on the 5 minute, you already know, right? It's time to get out. It's time to get out. She came down to this level here. You see? Guys, this is no fucking joke. You know where to get out, right? You're not sitting there hoping to make more money and more money and more money. You know where to get out. No one on Weeble and no one on Stock Twitch or anybody, right? So the price is going up, and you have some dumbass that sits there. He's like, uh, I think, I think, I think 100 is good for the day. It's like, based on what? Based on fucking what? Right? And the thing is that people trade and they're seeking that bias to confirm why they should stay in a trade. And no, we take emotions out of it and we just play the fucking charts. And the charts tell you, like, hey, here you go. You got this put. You want some profit? This is your first stop. Oh, no, you don't want profit there? Here's your second stop. No, you want to keep going? Third, fourth, all the way down to its fifth stop until, and this is here, guys, until the RSI crossed above its moving average, and then AMD said, okay, enough with the bleed. Okay. Ed Doe, these nuts in your mouth, man. And they brown as fuck, too. So, they're hazelnuts. Enjoy. All right. DE. Let's check out DE. Deer Company. All right, all right. I know the deer is not a cow, but deer just giving me PTSD after I whacked the fucking 1,500 pound piece of meat, right? But okay, nothing to really see here. If you look at the way deer trades, it's just relatively flat, right? And then we have this sell off here. So where's she gonna go? I mean, she could go places she hasn't gone before, right? So we have to go ahead and look at the daily and see what's going on with deer on the daily. So, guys, even on the daily, you were signaled to put way back on April 29th, and you're here on May 20th. The 29th, you were trading at 382. Right, 1 month later, 326. Anybody got the options chain so we can find out what percentage gain that is if you would have bought that put on that daily cross down? That has to be at least 400 or 500%. All right, maybe even 1,000%. Who knows? But that is disgusting. That move. disgusting, right? AMD 30 minute. Let's go ahead and look at AMD 30 minute. Let's see what AMD is doing on a 30 minute. Now, I don't trade the 30 minute, guys. I like to use the 30 minute as a confirmation of the trend. And right, the 30 minutes saying puts. And so we got to wait for, again, that price to break below the 200 EMA on the 30 minute. Okay. But this is exciting, especially for those playing the 5 minute, because that's usually an indication that AMD is going to continue to the downside. Okay. So that's that. Um, Man, we're just chilling here on a Friday, aren't we? We're just chilling here. Not really much action going on besides put season. But I want to go back to the SPY. This is my favorite. I love the SPY. Love to trade the SPY. You will learn to love to trade the SPY as well. Okay. Let's get here. And still, the SPY is doing much of nothing, just really consolidating at this level here. Okay, so you guys know, and I've said this yesterday, that the longer the consolidation, the bigger the move. Okay, it's Friday. Are we sensing a sell-off at some point? All right, currently trading at 389. Lord knows I want 380 so bad. Okay, just need a 2% drop from here. Guys, any reason why the video wasn't posted on Discord, only Twitter? Which video? Which video? How violent do you think the snapback will be? Oh, really? Okay, so check this out, right? If we do go into a recession, right, the average duration of that recession is going to be at about 230 odd days, which means that the snapback is not happening till fucking October if we declare today the beginning of a recession. Right? Divine. I'm from the South Bronx, man. Like, what are you talking about? Like, Divine, we got another. Like, bro. Yeah. Right. If you know the South Bronx, I mean, obviously, anybody from the Bronx, anybody who knows, you know, Westchester, Parchester, 143rd, St. Anne's. We got Gun Hill Road. Off of Gun Hill Road, we have Whole Avenue. Webster Avenue, right? Lived off of Webster. You cross on the other side, you got the Grand Concourse. Come on. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. All right? Don't tell me. Anyways, the Fed ain't fixing nothing. The Fed ain't supposed to fix nothing. Irish Fist is from Yonkers. All right, that's close enough. All right. JJ James says, we're going to get paid or not. I mean, that's your choice. You want to join this Discord or not? You want to get paid or not? I mean, because if you join this Discord, you could probably get paid on Monday. That's it. All right, so Skippy Maroon. All right. In my prior service, no, I'm not. No, I did not serve. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about confluence of the indicators, right? So basically, we have rules. We have rules, guys. Now, I don't know why retail just got obsessed with yellowing and buying so far out of the money. And all right, can we not talk about AI? Like, I don't want to talk about fucking pedophiles. Like, I don't. Like, yeah, he's a fat fuck. There are a lot of people on YouTube who have no business having fucking Wi-Fi right now. Okay, just ignore them and they can literally go fuck themselves. So, anyways, going back to the options here, when, for instance, I give you a great example, right? Let's say, you know, we get a put signal here on this candle at 389. We're looking at the options chain and looking for a put at the money, which would be 390 or 389. That is at the money. At the money, right? Then you go two strikes out of the money. So the next strike, so whether that next strike is 400 or 402, and then 405, two strikes out, okay? And what we like to do is our expiration dates, especially when playing the SPY, okay? When playing the SPY, what the Discord's now doing, because the market's funny, is they're adapting to 2 week expirations on the SPY, right? That way, one, data doesn't fucking kill you. That's one. And two, your stop losses aren't going to get hit as much. All right. I blame Reddit for the YOLO community because they glorify massive losses with their loss porn. And it's funny, they glorify massive losses, but it's not even their money. Half those motherfuckers are on margin, right? There's no sensible person who would go ahead and use their real money to just literally blow it up like that, right? Either that's bullshit and they're using hold on, right? They're using paper trading accounts and trying to make it look like it's real trading accounts. Just saying. And you know what? Robinhood data. I mean, there's actual websites that you could go ahead and fake Robinhood gains and losses, right? So, don't believe in everything you see. All right. The only thing I believe in, guys, is the fucking chart. I don't believe in no DD. I don't believe in any guy's one bias, right? I want to make money. The stock market tells me, hey, bro, I want to make some money because I'm moving to the downside. That's where I'm going to make my money, right? You guys just learn to read the chart. You're going to print. What is the RSI with the moving average called? I'm not seeing it on my chart. Well, you go ahead and you sign up for Discord, go to the chart on our alerts, and then you can save my chart. That's it. Elevate believes in 1348. Great. We want to build a community and, the real movement. Guys, we are the real movement. Whatever those kids are talking about, they're not the real movement. They're just a bunch of winos. Here in our community, we are aggressive, right? We are aggressive. We changed the game here, right? We're not going to sit there and, yeah, market makers going to give us our money. Yeah, hedgies are fucked. T-Man. No, we're not doing that. We're just like, hey, we got to make money today, right now. That's it. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, we got the SPY coming down to 388 here. That's what we want to see. All right, again, the charts don't lie. We got that put, and the SPY is just die, die, die. Tesla. Ooh, you know what? I knew this was gonna happen. This is fucking wild. So Tesla. Okay, so we had that put signal. Listen, guys, just so you guys could see, this is the fucking truth here. We had this put signal pre-market. Look where Tesla's at. Anybody who likes to play Tesla, especially you YOLO motherfuckers, yeah, you just became a millionaire. Tesla just said, I don't want to be a car company anymore. And it is just shitting the bed right here, 673. Now, shout outs to TMI. He loves Tesla, and I hope he made at least 25,000 on this trade. At least. Can someone go to TMI's live stream and be like, bruh, how much did you make on that Tesla put? Because TMI is a Tesla fanboy. And you know what? He deserves all the hookers out there. All them hookers. So, yeah. Round of applause to anybody who played Tesla. You banked, right? And yeah. Who needs DD when you got 1348? Guys, link down in the description. Go ahead and change your life. It's MOAS for you at the personal level. That's it. At the personal level. You change your life starting right now. The choice is yours. What's that? I'm gonna pill you. What's that? The green pill, red pill, blue pill, whatever. Right? You're gonna get pilled, bro. Tell STV Trader Joe's killing it at the moment. I gotta let STV know that too. Trader Joe. Let's look at Trader Joe. Trader Joe, look at his trades. He's taking profit. Go ahead. Let's see. Let's get to current. At one point, he was up 10%. Where is he at now? He is up 11%, right, on a $10,000 account, just trading stocks, right? Trader Joe just did better than your 401k in 2 weeks. And Trader Joe trades shares, right? Discord link invalid. It doesn't make any sense. Let me go ahead and look at what this is. Let me see. Discord link invalid. Let me go ahead and copy this. Let me go into the stream here, make sure everything works. Let me see. Let me get this here. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna make sure this in fact works. Let me see. Ah, you're right. You're right. Link invalid. Hold on. Let me get a valid link for you guys. I think what happened here is we changed the Discord around a little bit. So let me go ahead and get a link, a new link here. Okay. Custom invite link. Copy link address. All right, that was obviously changed yesterday. I'm going to update this. Now, let's go here. I'm going to pin this. All right, you guys want to join the Discord here? Just click this here, Discord Trade 1348. Now for the Patreon, I'll also include now the Patreon link is in fact valid. All right, go ahead and check that out at http trade1348.com. Okay, that's also valid. I'll go ahead and include that here. Okay, definitely going to join today, right after I park my truck. Salty Pirates, thank you for the super chat, man. Thank you for the super chat. Let's get back to business here. So we have Trader Joe. We always try to play at the money. All right. We always try to play at the money. So Trader Joe is doing it. I am looking forward to seeing what kind of gains Trader Joe is going to post later on, right? Doctor, Discord link is invalid. I actually posted it here. If you go ahead and click that link in the chat, which is pinned all the way at the top, the Discord link is in fact valid. Okay, it's valid. So here we go. We got BKE. Someone mentioned BKE. You got the put signal here on BKE on the 5 minute. And then look what she did. She came right down to support. And that's when you should have secured the bag. All right, how about this, Psycho Trader? Let's go ahead and look at Neo. Okay, let's look at Neo. Maybe we can come for the assist, and I can give you just a general idea of where she might be headed. So Neo, you saw this put here, right? It broke through this level. Now we're dealing with this level right here. Now, RSI has broken below its moving average. So therefore, we have another level back here. So we have 1, 2, 3 levels in this zone. And apparently this is where Neo wants to be. But I tell you what, listen, brother, Psycho Trader, if you are in profit, take it. But what's wrong with securing the bag? I don't get it. I mean, if you're trying to maximize a trade, it's very, very simple. You re-enter on the rim job. That's it. You know, the whole argument with people saying like, oh, if you sell your shares at AMC or if you reposition, you're going to miss the ride up. No, you're not. You don't miss it. You're not going to fucking miss it, right? And the same thing goes with this. People have this mindset that like, oh, if I sell, I'm going to miss the ride. No, you're not. You go ahead and you take some of your other dry powder and then you get right back on the train. Okay. And JMPG, Apple taking a dump. If you're up 80%, why do it to yourself, bro? It's 80%. Guys, don't get into the habit of swinging for home runs. You're going to get hurt. You're going to get hurt. Psycho Trader. Yeah. All right. Psycho Trader. All right, you're trying to speak some logic to me, ain't you, bruh? All right, let me speak some logic to you. My 10%, your 10%, in fact, ain't the same. But the reason why my 10% and your 10% aren't the same was because 12 years ago, I was taking 10%. Get into good habits now. That way, when your portfolio is growing, you're not disrespecting the shit out of it. Guys, come on. You're sitting there like, oh, it's only 10%. The fuck you doing, right? You create good trading habits now, bro. I'm just telling you, right? Because let's suppose you do get into some money, you're going to blow your account the fuck up. Period. Just period. Just saying, man. All right. Sorry for the rant, but that's the truth. The only reason why my 10% is my 10% now is because back then I was doing those 10%. I was scrapping for those $4, $40, $400, $4,000. You know what I'm saying? It's just compounding. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, right? Let's go. Let's go. Right? You keep chasing, bro. Listen, there's a difference between you're from the hood, I'm from the hood, right? I know the difference. I know a hustler. A hustler chases money, right? A real OG makes the money. It's just different. And that's what we're doing in this Discord. We making money, ain't chasing money. That's why all you motherfuckers who were chasing money back in 2020 and 2021, you're getting your ass handed to you because you don't know how to make money. You were just busy chasing it. That's it. End of rant. Here we go. Back to reality here, right? Let's go ahead and check out Snap. Yes. Okay. So let me explain the language on the Patreon, right? You're not getting charged till June 1st. So give me that chance before you get charged to prove to you that you can actually make money, right? I have more faith in you than you have in me. I'm just being honest right here, right? I got a solid fucking track record at this point. We got people making money, all right? So it's a matter of you believing in yourself, right? And for that, go ahead. You can sign up for the premium Patreon right now, and you won't get charged until June 1st. That's it. But what that means is that you're going to get the best from me, okay? And I have to show you and prove to you that you can make money in this market because ain't nobody else out there really helping you do that. What they doing? Giving you Discord alerts like, "Hey, I'm entering here. Oh, I'm exiting here." Motherfucker, by the time you post that alert, the play's already done. Doesn't make any goddamn sense. Just no. Listen, let's make it happen. Let's make some money. Okay? Just go ahead, do as you may. You're not going to get charged until June 1st, but make your goddamn money, all right? I'll step it up. I'll step it up for you because you know what? I have something to prove to you and I have something to prove to myself and the greater community, right? Hands down, I'm going to say this arrogantly and with some cockiness, but I am hands down the best trader in the game. Fuck who you know. Let's go. Anyways, um, what are Spy and Apple bouncing off of? Let's go ahead and see. I'll show you what they're bouncing off of. Right? We could go ahead and look at the Spy. And Spy is bouncing off of it's in this range here. So it's not necessarily bouncing, but it found something, right? It found this level here. It doesn't like being down here, so it's scrapping. It's like, help, help, help me, right? And it's trying to grab this right back here, okay? If not, then we see this level. If not, then we see this level. Okay, 387. I'm loving 387. Actually, I made STV promise me that he was going to yell at me once the Spy hit 383. So let's see if I get that yell call today. All right. Papa Frank says he's in. Welcome. Welcome, Papa Frank. Okay. So if we go ahead and we look at the Spy on a 4-hour, what is it doing? Yeah, I love the community. See, you sons of bitches go ahead and say, all right, I know where to look. Let me go ahead and check other time frames to see what's going on. Right? Uh, and here we go. That's it. King Crypto joined. Let's give King Crypto a fucking round of applause. Welcome, King Crypto. You joined in on a great weekend, by the way. I'm telling you, the weekend is a shit show, but everybody's helping one another. All right. Once in the Discord, make sure you seek out Diana. She's going to give you the PDFs. Actually, you can go through the channels in the Discord. You should find the rules of the game, get that PDF. then go ahead and go through the videos as we teach you how to play this. You can get the system down in a week, especially with these live streams and me breaking it down for you, right? Now it's a Friday. Friday's a bad sample of what the market does, but you guys are able to see proof in the pudding. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's check out NVIDIA. I wanna check out NVIDIA really quick. We're gonna bring NVIDIA down to the 5 minute. Froggy Styles, thank you, brother. Thank you. And so NVIDIA, yeah, the market's just like, market's like, I'm out. I'm out. All right. Go into the premium chat once you are in the premium Discord. And let's see. Oh, God. Check in the premium Discord and just seek out Diana, or you should go through the channels. The PDF is there. I can't give you an honest answer right now because we have Andy in the Discord just stylizing and organizing everything so that it makes sense. Because the way I originally had the Discord, it only made sense to me. But my brain's fucking chaos, right? I live in chaos. You see my studio, it's fucking chaos. So he's organizing it, for your sanity, not mine. Nibbler. Tired of working DoorDash? Yeah, I feel you, man. I get it. That grind, man. That grind is hard. But hey, you can learn a strategy that's going to feed yourself, your family, and teach you a skill that you can teach your cousins, your brothers, your family. Again, you subscribe to the strategy. Yeah, you're going to kill it. Ben, seek out Diana or ask anybody in the Discord where those PDFs are. It's a Google Live document, by the way. It's always getting updated. So big shout outs to Diana for everything she does in this community. She's like, she's what takes my ideas and puts it on paper. That's what she does. Takes my ideas, puts it on paper. So shouts out. Let's go ahead and go back to, let's see here. Let's look at Uber. Okay. Where's the best place to be as a single guy in Florida? Well, it depends. Are you broke and single or are you rich and single? There's two answers for that. Anyways, no. It can't be Miami if you're broke and single. Okay. So someone said Uber. Let's go ahead and look at Uber. There you go. So Uber, for the most part, traded sideways until you got that put signal, and then it just came down to this level here, right? Initially, now it's looking like it wants to break its 200 EMA on the 5 minute. Now the RSI is curling down, MACD going down, shaft trend staying down. So what we're looking for essentially is another candle to break below its 200 EMA. And then we have this level here, which is about 23.16. That is going to be a target. Now, from where it's currently at in price, you're like, oh, well, that's not a big move. The thing is that if you entered here on this candle and you played this move for maybe one additional candle, then you're probably up 4 or 5%, which means that, hey, you made some money. That's the name of the game. It's all about making money. All right. So here's the thing. Divine, yeah, handsome always works. See, I'm an ugly fuck, so I gotta, supplement that with money and lots of money. So believe it or not, guys, Orlando has a stupid and sick nightlife. It's just stupid. And then Miami, of course, you know what Miami nightlife is. The thing is, Miami nightlife is just it. Miami just gives me like that New York with sunny weather vibes, right? And people have just, but at the end of the day, it is what it is, right? So, anyways, let's just go back to Uber. So, what did we say about Uber? Now we're getting that candle. It's broken below the 200 EMA. So, our target is here at 23.16. We are not very far from that. We're about 13 cents away. So, if you are in a position to secure the bag just in case the candle goes ahead and hits that support there, just keeps his distance a little bit, right? Because sometimes the candles are like, nope, nope, nope. I ain't fucking with you. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go back around. But as it stands, you're 10 cents away from this level. You had this put here. Why not secure the bag? Make that money. That's what this market's all about. The market isn't about pushing the envelope. The market is about making the money, right? You're not going to get a trophy for losing money, guys, right? But when you make some money, you get yourself a trophy wife. Booyah! See what I did there? Yeah, you see what I did there? I was born rich instead of smart and handsome. I wish I was born rich instead of smart and handsome. No, you don't. More money, more problems. Trust me. Trust me. Uh, Mike Smith, where do I sign up? Link in the description. Trade1348.com. That's simple. All right. Took the bag at 8%. Easy. Dope. Dope. Took that bag at 8%. Why must we make this harder than what it is, guys? We got proof of concept. We got social proof. Y'all motherfuckers trying to be like, how do I make money? When is it going to squeeze? When is it going to squeeze? No, I want you guys to start saying, like, yo, when 8%? Because if you go ahead and make 10% on your portfolio each and every day, guys, you double your portfolio in 7 days. Right? Can that be a hashtag somewhere? When 8? Come on, somebody's got to do it. Local. How much capital is the idea? Listen, man, whatever you can muster. I mean, we've had people who turn 5,000 into 10, 15. We've had people who turn 4,000 into nearly 12. It's like whatever your starting point is, but instead of thinking about like how much capital you're going to put in, I think the first question is how much time are you going to allocate to learning the system and joining us in a premium section so that you can get a firm grasp and then be like, all right, cool. I got this. I'm going to put more money. I'm going to put real money into it. So set up a paper trading account, right? It's no risk to you. All right. SL came from the UK, from the pond, other side of the pond, where they make, I don't know, the other side of the pond. Awesome. That's dope. That's dope. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Do you have classes for training? Yes, we do. I've turned 200 into 800 in a month. Guys, did you just see that? All right. That's a 400%. That's a That's a four timer. That's a $200 account. Man, I don't need to tell you nothing. The chart tells you everything you need to know right here. Okay. You see what happened here on Uber? We got this candle. This candle's still trying, but that wick brought us down close enough to this level. That's where Astro World secured the bag and done, right? Let's go ahead and look at Snap. So maybe I could help you out here with Snap, right? You're going to make that money with Snap. Let's make that money with Snap. We got 363 people on the live. Guys, listen, man, even if you are not going to join the premium Discord, right? Even if you're not going to join the premium Discord, just tell people about this, right? You might be able to change someone's life, right? So, anyways, get back here. We are in Snap. You see this put here? We got that put signal. Damn! Snap is just like, yeah, just call me Pans. I don't want to be Snap anymore. Just call me fucking Pans. All right, so put here breaks below its 200 EMA. The RSI it's free falling. It is free falling, right? MACD is saying like, yeah, we going down. Shaft trend saying yes, let's go. Now we got to look at possible targets. Possible targets. So we look at a target here. It broke. Now we're looking for another level. See if it if it wants to come down to another level. So we're zooming out, just to be sure that over the past couple of trading days, this level has not been flirted with. Because then what we do is we go back up. Here we go. We found a level here at pre-market. So what that's telling us is that Snap at one point in time saw this as an important level, right? So, listen, in the stock market, it certainly has no obligation. History has no obligation to repeat itself. Okay. But, you know, again, if someone shows you, okay, for instance, I mean, this is something you've heard DMX say this, right? If someone shows you their snake, believe them, right? So if the chart's telling you that at some point there was supportive resistance there, believe them, right? So here we go. We got this put here. We break that level that we saw, 6 trading days ago. Then now you would look at this level. As long as the RSI, is trending down. Now I want to say be careful because the RSI could hit oversold territory and then bounce back up. But if you came in on this put and you went past the 200 EMA with Snap and you're approaching these levels, guys, secure the bag. I mean, there's somebody in Snap right now who's probably up 6, 7, 8%. Why aren't you taking it? Guys, we get over, 300 alerts a day? Margoth, Disney's tanking. What? Say word. Disney? All right, let's see. Disney. Yeah. What? Okay. Here we go on this chart. You would get alerted that of this put signal, and it's making its move down. Oh damn! Oh damn! All right. I mean, if I was you, I would just secure the bag there, right? Because we go ahead and we zoom out. We do not see in recent. Oh yeah, we do. Oh, we have this level here. What about this level that I see? Is that about here? We found something. We found something. All right. So now that it's hit this level, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, it doesn't really meet the rules, but it's pushing it on the 6th day. It just so happens to be there. Like that is a level of support. I would just go ahead and take it. Why? Because it's also oversold. So you could easily get this bounce off and a cross above its moving average, and then the stocks begin to reverse. So if you're in this put, just know that you've hit an important level of support. Secure the bag now and just call it a fucking day, right? You're done with Disney. Elliot, how do you avoid getting destroyed in taxes? Listen, taxes are just part of the game, right? I mean, it's interesting what people say, right? Just like, okay, yeah, I got a job, I go to work. Well, motherfucker, you pay taxes, right? But then you get into the markets, they're just like, oh, how do I escape taxes? No, it's just part of the game. You're gonna pay it, right? Now you could have an IRA that's different. That's different type of taxes, but like me personally, I mean, my effective tax rate after my account did everything, my effective tax rate is still like 23%. It's just the name of the game, right? But the way I see it, the more money in taxes I'm paying, the better I'm doing for myself. So this is not a tax channel. This is a stock channel. All right. That's it. So here we go. That's it, Brandon, a good accountant. Someone is going to push. So that snap for 19%. You see, when you listen, you print. That's it. Damn, that's simple. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out the premium Patreon. All right, listen, you guys join on in. You're going to print. You're seeing the examples, right? Social proof. I don't pay state taxes. Yes, that's why I moved to Florida. Shh. All my life I lived in like high tax states. I've lived in New York. I've lived in Connecticut, super high taxes. Then I moved to Chicago and then Cook County. I mean, high taxes there as well. And just like everywhere I go, they're fucking killing me, right? So, like, hey, Florida, what's up? Right? Florida was actually more of a business decision than actual coke hookers and beach, right? Copacetic locked in snap for 10%. That's what we're talking about. We got that social proof here, guys. If you're not going to join this Discord, hey, you're playing yourself. But don't go on Twitter bashing me, talking about, I'm taking from the apes. No, you guys can see firsthand. I am giving to the apes. I am giving. Right? Come on. Brian, you're in Deltona. Brian, that's crazy. That is crazy, Brian. I'm in DeBerry, 2 towns over. I'm in DeBerry. You're in Deltona. Like, you'll catch me up and down Saxon. uh, John James. No, this is all automated. These charts are automated for you. They're automated for you, okay? Uh, let's see. Skippy is in Winter Springs. Okay, that's not too far. That's the 417 over there. Winter Springs. Wait, that's Winter Springs, Oviedo, man. Those cops, man, I hate those motherfuckers. They're always stopping me over there. Like, hey, what you doing around here? Driving. Like, uh, let's see. Dodging cows. Yeah, they're part of the premium Discord only. Road Rage just joined the premium Discord. Let's go ahead and get a round of applause. We got people joining. They are making that decision right now to change their lives right now. Time to use TradingView, right? Do you guys want to go ahead? Ivan, don't be sharing my secrets, man. Come on, man. 140, man. Just like, let's cruising. I'm chilling, right? I got Mob Deep in there. I got Wu-Tang. I'm just chilling, right? Besides, if you're going to stop me, you're going to have to catch me. Be like, bro, earn your paycheck. I already made mine. But no, honestly, Scott joined this morning. We got people joining. Good, right? You guys are making that decision to change your life right now, and that's all that matters, right? And just give me the opportunity because, guys, after today, I'm only going to do a public live stream going over the 1348 strategy once a week. So that's only 4 times a month, right? Money, power, respect, the locks, just gold. Anyways, 4 times a month. I'm going to dedicate my time to the Discord, to paying members, right? Because I owe you that much. I owe you that much to show you that it's possible. You can change your life literally starting in one day. Oh, Waterford Lakes. Yeah. I used to fuck some bimbo that lived in Avalon Park. Anyways, all right. Don't drag your feet on TradingView. The amount of money it could have saved me from losing is priceless. Pepe, you let him know. Okay. So, guys, back to the chart here, right? Because, charts don't lie. Disney's still going, right? Broke through this level. It broke through that level. I mean, this is money to be made. Like, it is what it is. So where did Disney find itself? Disney is finding itself right here at another very significant level at or about right here. Charts don't lie. All right, your P&L, secure that bag, make that money. That's all we do here. All right. Let's see. And Rosallo says I used to live in Avalon Park. And it just got way, way too crowded over there. Actually, my car dealership is a little further down Colonial on going towards Bithlow, right? So, but, I'm targeting, the people who want to buy, the Nissan Rogues and Honda Civics, all those Latinos in Avalon Park. Let's go ahead and look at AMD. Oh, I mean, Avalon Park was pretty much nothing in 2006. Port St. Lucie ain't so bad. It's real nice over there. They really developed Port St. Lucie over there. Here we go. So we got AMD. AMD came in for the put. It's continuing. It's just, we got free fall here. Where are we going? AMD? Broke this level. Guys, if you're looking at this chart right here, right, from this level to this level, there's really nothing. Let's go ahead and zoom out some more. Okay, so we find some levels here, right? So we got this level here. All right, guys, this is wild. So AMD in a free fall. Be careful. Let's go ahead and pay attention to the RSI right now, right? So the RSI is pivoting up, signaling oversold. This is where you secure the bag. Why? Because you're starting to get light pink on the MACD, which means, you guys know what light pink means, right? Period's almost over. But you got the RSI coming up against his moving average. And then you have the shaft trend just like confused, like, hey, bro, what the fuck's going on? Right? When in doubt, secure the bag. Seriously. Listen, AMD spoiled the shit out of you. There's no reason why you should not secure that bag, right? Like almost everything that we've looked at this morning has been a winner. You need more proof? Then you are a smooth brain ape. That makes you a fucking idiot. Link down in the description down below. Go ahead and check out trade1348.com. That's simple. I've been live for an hour and 15 minutes, guys. I hope you guys can see the concept. Proof in the pudding. There's money to be made. We'll teach you how it's done. The whole community will teach you how it's done. Just always secure that bag. And Ben, thank you so much for the super chat. It got to bounce and get some money. Glad to be part of the movement. Don't forget that glossary for slower folks. All right. Well, make sure we get that glossary done. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and take a snapshot of that comment so I don't go ahead and fucking forget, right? And sure to fix, just guys, I think we changed STV's life too, right? So STV, let me go ahead and just take a picture of this comment so I can make sure I get this sent over to Diana. So I'm going to share something with you guys, right? So I have like so STV. I look at him as like almost like my son, right? There's something about him. It was like, damn kid, I could be old enough to be your dad, obviously, but just look at him. He is just like, damn, bro. So, anyways, we started talking about his trading style. So STV, he does some wonky shit sometimes. But then, like yesterday, we had that phone call. He's like, Gabe, you know what? I took 15% today. I'm like, good for you. He texts me today, Gabe, I took 11%. I said, good for you. See, here's the thing. The kid's what, 22, 23 years old? And I challenged him that if he follows these rules, he'll be worth more than me by the time he's 32 years old, 30 years old. Can you imagine having that financial freedom in the next 7 years just by following these rules? And so STV is subscribing. He is buying into the concept and he is securing the bag, right? No more fucking stupid YOLO bullshit. I know you're young. You're young. It seems fun, but this is a grown man's game. You want to make grown man's money? You play by grown man's rules. Anyways, guys, I'm signing out. I gotta get my own trades in. All right, and it is Friday. It is a little slow, so just got to see who's willing to give me a blowjob. Bye. Peace.